We're right now standing in this village which falls in the Akhnoor sector of Jammu area. We already understand that fresh rounds of firing and of course shelling has happened in all these areas neighboring Pakistan, and all of these villages that are very close to the border in Pakistan have been very heavily affected. We'll just talk to some of the people here who have been living here under the shadow of fire from Pakistan, and they have been the vulnerable section of the society that is always at the receiving end whenever there is any kind of an aggression coming in from the side of Pakistan. Let's just talk to some of the people here. आप मुझे बताइए कि शेलिंग सबसे कब हुई है यहाँ पे, आखिरी शेलिंग अभी कब हुई है?
ये 3:30 बजे हुई थी सुबह
3:30 बजे हुई। आप मुझे दिखाएंगे कहाँ पे गिरा है और क्या क्या नुकसान हुआ है? मुझे थोड़ा चल के वहाँ दिखा दीजिए। So we are now being taken to the spot where they would be trying to show us where the shelling has taken place, although we understand that almost immediately after the shelling is over, you have the BSF moving into these areas and trying to remove any live ammunition that could be there. Okay, this is the spot. ये क्या समझाइए हमें, ये है क्या?
जहाँ गोला पड़ा था सर।
अच्छा,
तो जहाँ फिर जो आगे पीछे पशु बांधे हुए ना, कुछ मर गए हैं, कुछ जख्मी हुए हैं।
कहाँ है मरा हुआ पशु?
वो सामने मरा हुआ है।
So, okay, so there, maybe if I could ask my video journalist, Sanjeev Chhetri, to just pan a little bit. Yes, we do see dead livestock here. So, yes, of course, lives are affected here. And direct impact of the shelling is very fresh and very clearly visible right here in Akhnoor sector, just very close to the border with Pakistan. As we continue to talk to the villagers here, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आप लोग कहाँ थे और क्या किन लोगों पे फर्क पड़ा?
हम तो सब वहाँ चारपाई डागर लम्बे पड़े हुए थे
जी।
जब फायरिंग शुरू हुआ ना, फिर हमने जहाँ से पशु खोलकर वहाँ ले रहे थे, जहाँ गोला पड़ गया। एक आदमी मेरे साथ और था, वो उसको भी जख्मी हो गया।
वो कहाँ है अभी?
वो हॉस्पिटल में है।
क्या नाम क्या है उनका?
उसका द्वारकानाथ।
So there is a person who is also injured here. So we have a family here which has been directly affected. They're saying 3 a.m. in the morning is when the shell came in and it fell right here. And people here have been at the receiving end. All these villages spotted all across this entire border, be it where we are right now in Akhnoor or RS Pura or either further down in Samba. This entire area that is surrounding Pakistan is heavily affected, and you have people and the villagers hoping that this round of violence is finally put to an end, and somehow the government of India is able to manage that. In Akhnoor district, with video journalist Sanjeev Chhetri, Bilal Zaidi.
कि घर पूरा तबाह हो चुका है, इस घर में अब रहने के लायक तो है ही नहीं। ये आपको देखें, गोलियां लगी हैं, सभी लगी हैं इधर, तो घर तबाह हो चुका। पाकिस्तान ने तो इतनी तबाही कर दिया कि सर पूछिए मत क्या किया है इस गांव को।